Imagine a steel storm reaching 600 kilometers in just a few seconds. These trains are consigning traditional railway systems to history. These giant machines move through the air without physical contact with the rails thanks to magnetic propulsion, gliding with zero resistance at a speed that would make even airplanes jealous. These giant machines move meters above the ground, like a roller coaster. But there is no slowing down here, no stopping. These trains, which move suspended from the rails, completely eliminate the heavy city traffic. No intersections, no traffic jams, zero risk of accidents. China's newest monster, the BYD Yangwang U8, is rewriting the rules of the automotive world. Not just an SUV, but an engineering masterpiece. Have you ever seen an SUV that can drive on water? Yes, you heard right. The Yangwang U8 does not sink when dropped in water and can even drive on water. This technology literally throws away classic off-road vehicles. Tesla? German engineering? All of that is in the past. NIO ET9 offers a full 1,000 kilometers range with its 160 kilowatt-hour battery. The era of waiting at the charging station is over. You can continue on the road with full power by changing the battery in seconds. But the real bombshell is not here. This huge luxury sedan comes with a special, smart chassis that automatically adjusts the suspension system. So no matter how rough the road is, you experience airplane comfort inside. A revolution that shocked the world. China has entered a whole new era of transportation with autonomous air taxis. No more getting stuck on the road, because taxis have taken to the sky. Imagine, is there traffic? We don't even care. These flying machines are completely controlled by artificial intelligence, without any pilots. You choose your landing spot, and technology takes care of the rest. Picture it. As the bus moves along the road, cars pass underneath. There is no traffic jam, no stop-and-go ordeal. This giant transportation system carries 4 times more passengers than a normal bus and provides smooth transportation without using traditional roads. Supported by a rail system, these buses move on the upper level without taking up normal lanes. In other words, they are not affected by intersections or traffic lights. These giant vehicles, which can reach speeds of 60 kilometers per hour, are reshaping the future of urban transportation. This is not a train, it is a missile. China has started a new era in the world of transportation by implementing Hyperloop technology. This system, which can reach speeds of 1,000 kilometers per hour, is preparing to consign classical railways to history. Imagine a frictionless speed journey in vacuum tubes, a capsule that glides at a speed that is 10 times faster than traditional trains, challenging even airplanes. No friction, no delays, just pure speed and incredible engineering. Forget traffic lights. Forget intersections. China has made roads smart too. AI-powered highways automatically manage all traffic, from driverless cars to trucks. These highways are not just asphalt. Thanks to the sensors, cameras, and 5G connection embedded in them, they instantly detect all vehicles and direct traffic in the most efficient way. Has there been an accident? The road analyzes the situation instantly and directs the vehicles. A cargo container moves at a speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour inside vacuum tubes. No traffic jams, no risk of delays. Hyperloop combines magnetic levitation and vacuum technology to provide frictionless, ultra-fast cargo transportation. Customs waits? Forget about them. Highway and port congestion? No more. With this system, cargo can be transported between continents in hours, 10 times faster than sea transportation and 80% more efficient than air cargo. What is the biggest problem for electric vehicles? Long charging times. But China surprised everyone again. With battery swap stations, the era of waiting for charging is over. Think about it. In just 60 seconds, your vehicle's empty battery is removed and a new, fully charged battery is installed. No more waiting for hours at charging stations. Even gasoline-powered vehicles can't charge this fast. A package arrives at your door, but there is no courier or driver. China is changing the cargo industry with its autonomous delivery vehicles. These small, smart machines deliver your order to your door completely on their own. Your restaurant, market, or e-commerce order arrives to your door with a completely automatic system without getting stuck in traffic or going to the wrong address. It chooses the fastest route itself, thanks to sensors, artificial intelligence, and mapping systems. Here is Skytrain. It is not dependent on the rails, it does not deal with traffic, it floats completely in the air. Thanks to magnetic levitation technology, Skytrain capsules carry passengers at speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour without touching the rails. Traditional subways and buses are no longer slow. You go to the Skytrain station, get on, and in just a few minutes you are on the other side of the city. This air taxi can carry 2 passengers and reach speeds of 130 kilometers per hour. Thanks to its autonomous artificial intelligence, it can fly itself without requiring a pilot. Say goodbye to complicated airport procedures or long journeys. While America and Europe are still discussing flying cars, China has conquered the sky. EHang 216S is the first step towards the transportation system of the future. And with this technology, China has become unrivaled in transportation. A vehicle that can drive on roads, glide through water, and even take off. GAC Gove breaks the traditional concept of the automobile and offers the multi-purpose transportation solution of the future. Powered by hydrogen fuel cells, this revolutionary vehicle is much more efficient than its gasoline and electric competitors. It can travel hundreds of kilometers on a single charge and adapt itself to environmental conditions. You are stuck in traffic, your patience is exhausted. But this is not a problem for Xpeng X3. You press a single button and the vehicle takes off. No more intersections, no traffic lights, only the endless freedom of the sky. Equipped with 8 powerful propellers, special foldable wings, and high technology, this vehicle can move like an SUV on the road, and when necessary, it can take off vertically and continue its path in the sky.